mo ganap mo. District Festival of Talent.
Siya. Siya.
Huaga Cyrus J. with honors. Outstanding performance in work immersion. Kabangka Emily N. with honors. Doran D. Jazel C. with honors. Outstanding performance in work immersion. Yulikami Lori May C. with honors. Outstanding performance in science. Gian Abigail Pretzel with honors. Outstanding performance in arts. Gonzaga Rachel Ann L. with honors. Outstanding performance in athletics and a second place winner in the single table tennis District B. Ikaminan Gias C. with honors and conduct awarding. Mendoza La Vivian S. with honors. Pareja Irish E. with honors and conduct awarding. Paris Christian Lee with honors. Rojas Melissa L. with honors. Ramirez Raya May A. with honors. Ikon Precious Yesha T. with honors. Special recognition, Camajo Domingo II R. Third place winner, Radio Broadcasting, Filipino category, Division Schools Press Conference. Justo John Merson, outstanding performance in work immersion. And Trinidad Jellery Honey P. Third place winner, single table tennis District B. General academic strength Janelle B. Bacalso with honors.